Researchers learned one thing because of the development of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked eagerly to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood cash. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a complete value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick credit in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo Stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The value-based scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to flawlessly incorporate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been an unmistakable part of Nexo. The principal advantage shoppers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very helpless and, as other digital forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from $5.58 to $9.87 during April and May 2018, a critical increment that recommended a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive venture than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as per all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is presently worth $1.36. Nexo has moved 33% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,755,516. Nexo is presently positioned 117 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $758,926,870 USD. Using the general strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $204. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $190 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.63. Nexo value forecast 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $340. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.72 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.99. Nexo value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.76 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.35 and a low of $4.08 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.12, with a base cost of $5.44 and a typical cost of $5.71. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.07 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.80 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $7.48. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $8.43. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $8.84. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $8.16. Nexo value expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $9.52 and a yearly cost close above Talapan money in 2029. Nexo value forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $10.88 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $11.56, averaging out at $11.15. End. The cost of the Nexo presently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how a Nexo will foster from now on. You could likewise explore the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buyer in this market. It is trying to foresee a money's careful worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the digital currency market. A notable cryptographic money that has so far been effective is Nexo. Nexo ventures can be savvy moves. However, you ought to hold off on critical speculations until the market is in a down market. Keep up with consciousness of ongoing business sector changes, so you might pick admirably. Monitor the different costs, supports, and opposition levels. What is the Nexo cost today? Today, Nexo is exchanging at $1.36 with an all-out market capitalization of $758,926,870. Is Nexo a wise